Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Pokemon Go make a friend not working. So if that is something you're interested in, stick around for the rest of the video. So once the application is open, you simply need to tap on the Pokeball. Then you would be required to click on settings, which is to the top right of the screen. And once you're in the settings section, you'd simply need to tap on help. And at this point, you need to tap on friends, gifting, and trading. Now, once that is loaded, you need to tap on adding friends. And pretty much once that page loads, it will pretty much guide you on how you go about adding a friend. But since you're experiencing a problem, you simply need to click on contact us. Now, at this point, you need to type the problem that you're having. So, for example, you could say, make a friend not working, and once you've pretty much wrote the message, you need to tap on the send icon and they will get back to you. So at this point, it says right here are some articles I found, please take a look to see if they help. And since you're having a problem with adding friends, you could tap on adding friends, and based on the information, if it was helpful, you could select a response saying I found the information I needed. However, if it did not help, you could say I still need help. But that's pretty much how you'd go about solving the Pokemon Go make a friend not working. There is no other way around it. So that's pretty much the end of the video. So if you guys found this video useful, or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.